to Pinkie Pie here. Today I'm going to be baking something. I don't know what I'm going to bake, but today my helper is going to be, come on over, Gracie Plainville. Yep. If you don't watch her videos, go check out her channel. Yeah, go and check out my channel if you want to. Okay, well, the first ingredients we're going to need is dough, secret stuff, or just cinnamon, water, a dose of Pinkie Pie, and stuff. So first thing you want to do is go over to your dough. Gracie, come and help me. Okay, Pinkie Pie. And squish the dough till it's flat. There we go. Now, you just grab the secret sauce or secret stuff, whatever it is, and hold on, let me open it up. And sprinkle it on the dough. And if you get some on the ground, you can just pick it up and put it on the dough. Now, the most important thing is Pinkie Pie. There you go. And now you just need to add this. I don't know what it is, but okay.